Hello, and welcome back to Learn English with Minecraft. This is a series where I teach English while trying to beat Minecraft. My name is Kenzo, and this is English from the ground up. This is going to be a really fun episode because in this video, I'm going to use some of the new enchanted tools that I built in the last episode to go exploring underground. And I love the videos where I get to go exploring. Now, there's one thing that I want to do before I leave to go exploring. And that is build a shield. So let's see. A shield. To build a shield, I need 6 wood and 1 iron ingot. Okay. 6 wood and 1 iron ingot. All right, a shield. I built a shield, and now I'm going to enchant this shield. Jump! All right, here we are at the enchanting room. Shield, lapis. Oh, well, you can't enchant shields. Oh well. The cool thing about shields is that I can hold the shield in my left hand, like this. Now I'm holding my sword in my right hand and my shield in my left hand. And I can block while I'm holding a shield, like this. Block, block. All right. I'm going to build some torches. There we go. All right. And I think now I have everything that I will need to go exploring underground. I have torches, tools, my map, food. Oh, and I also brought my crossbow and 14 arrows. All right, it's time to go exploring. All right, I'm going to start by exploring down here in my mine because there's a lot that I haven't explored down here. Let's go down. Here we are. Uh-oh. Skeleton. Wow. My new enchanted sword right here has knockback 2, which pushes the monsters far away when I hit them. Whoa. I'm going to go down there. What is this? Oh, I can't collect it. It just breaks. Let's go this way. Torch. I'm going to place torches so I can find my way back. Torch. What's up here? Nothing. Torch. 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 Uh-oh. Zombies. Uh-oh. And a skeleton. Ooh. Run! Die! Die! Wow. This new sword is really good. Ooh, there's a skeleton. I'm going to load my crossbow. And I'm going to try to shoot the skeleton. It didn't kill him. Wow. This is a strong skeleton. Oh, I missed. Come here, skeleton. Got him. I'm surprised that it took 3 shots to kill that skeleton, because this crossbow has piercing 4. There are lots more skeletons over there. Whoa. That skeleton is riding the spider. Uh-oh. I hear more skeletons. There it is. Die. Die, die. Wow. Oh my goodness. Die, die, die. Oh, wow. There are tons of monsters here. Ha! Got him! Oops! I accidentally hit the bat instead of the creeper. Oh well. Diamonds! I'm going to collect this diamond after I kill this zombie. Okay. Whoa, more zombies? Okay. Torch. 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 I'm placing torches all around so monsters stop spawning. All right, let's see. Just 1 diamond? Okay, just 1 diamond. But to collect this diamond, I'm going to use my new enchanted diamond pickaxe. So this pickaxe has the Fortune 2 enchantment, which means that it might give me 2 diamonds instead of just 1. We'll see. Break. See? 2 diamonds. 2 diamonds. That's because of my Fortune 2 enchantment. An Enderman. Die, Enderman. Die. 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 Oh, wow. That was really close. Okay. I need to be careful. I'm going to wait here while I heal. Ooh, I see some light over there. Whoa. Could it be lava? Yep, lava. I'm going to go back down there. Whoa. This is a huge cave. Okay, die zombie, die zombie, die, die. My sword pushes the zombies so far away. Okay, I really like my shield. And the shield is really helpful against skeletons. Uh-oh. Come on, skeleton. Uh-oh. Okay, phew. Die, die. Wow, I've had to fight so many monsters. Whoa, okay. I see some more lava over there. Uh-oh. Okay, I need to heal. And there's more skeletons. How many arrows do I have left? Let's see. Oh, 14. Whoa. That is a lot of lava. I'm going to go around the lava. Okay. Going around, around. Okay, and right next to the lava, there's some water. So far, I've only found 1 block of diamonds. And a ton of monsters. Uh-oh. They're shooting each other. What is happening? These skeletons are shooting each other. Die. All right. Well, that was easy. Torch. Tons of skeletons. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 skeletons over there. I'm not going over there. No. More diamonds. Finally, I found more diamonds. Torch. Only 8 torches left. Okay. I'm going to mine these diamonds using my enchanted pickaxe. Here we go. Just one. Just 1 diamond. Just 1 diamond. 3 diamonds total. There's a ton of lava around here. Die. Die, die. Okay, that was some good fighting. I'm getting better at fighting. Whoa, okay. There's diamonds right there. But they're going to be difficult to get. I'm going to try to block off this lava. Okay, like that. All right. Whoa! Water. This area is full of water. Well, I guess I'll also block off the water. Okay. 2 diamonds. So now I'm up to 5 diamonds. Uh-oh. Die. 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 Whew. Oh, thank you, Diamond Sword. I need to find some coal so I can build more torches. I'm running. Run. I need to find coal. I haven't seen any coal down here. I think I'm too deep down to find coal. So I'm going back up a little bit. I'm not going down there. No way. More lapis. I've found tons of lapis. The mine shaft. Okay, I'm going back up to the mine shaft. Okay, phew. Any coal? Any coal? Oh, look, it's my staircase. So, I actually found my way back to my staircase. Well, I guess I'll go back up to my house and pick up some torches there. And I also think I'm going to end this video right here. And in the next episode, I'll continue my big adventure exploring underground. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please click the like button or subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you in the next video. See ya.